Good morning children. Now I am taking GK lesson number 40 multi-purpose projects. What the meaning of multi-purpose projects? Multi-purpose projects means the water resources projects. They are called the water resource projects. Water resources projects, and they are planned for various purpose like as irrigation, then hydropower, hydropower generation, then water supply, and then for drinking, and for flood control. Like this, for many purpose we use the water resources. That one we called as multi-purpose projects. See children, river means you know that. Okay. See, the water of the rivers, oceans or anything means water resources. The water of those resources we use for irrigation purpose, hydropower generation purpose, water supply for farmlands, and for drinking, and for flood control. For all those reasons, we use the water resources. See, this thing we call as the multi-purpose projects. See, multi-purpose projects are very useful. I don't know how they are useful. See, in summer time and in needy time, we use the water from multi-purpose projects for irrigation to the farmland, to generate electricity means produce electricity, and water supply for farmlands means irrigation, you already know that, and then drinking, irrigation, and water supply means farmlands for anywhere, any purpose, and also for drinking and control the floods. Okay, like this, water resources are very useful to use all those purposes. That one we call as multi-purpose projects. Children, in the lesson number 40, here given the name of some projects, and these projects are built across which river, and also these projects and river related to which state. About that we will learn in this lesson. Okay children, open page number 228. Here are the names of irrigation and power projects with the rivers and states associated with them. Now see the project children. Bhakra Dam. Bhakra Dam project, that is built on Satluj river. That is built on Satluj river. Which one? Bhakra Dam. Bhakra Dam built on Satluj river. See, that river is in Himachal Pradesh. The state Himachal Pradesh. They flow through the state Himachal Pradesh. Okay. And then Chambal project. Chambal project is built across the river Chambal. Across the river Chambal. That river flows in the state Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. The Chambal river flow across in the Madhya Pradesh and also in Rajasthan. And next, third one, Damodar Valley project. Damodar Valley project, that is built for Damodar river. Damodar river. This river flows through the state of Bihar and West Bengal. Okay, Damodar Valley project. This project construct on Damodar river. This Damodar river flows through the Bihar and West Bengal state. And next fourth one, Farak Barrage. This project built on Ganga River. This Ganga River flows through the West Bengal. Ganga is a holy river, no? For Hindus, Ganga River. See, for Ganga River built Farak Barrage project, that is, this Ganga River flows through the West Bengal state. And next see the fifth one, Hirakud project. Hirakud project built across the river Mahanadi. Across the river Mahanadi. This Mahanadi river flows through the Odisha state. Next see the sixth one, Kakrapara project. This project built on Tapti river. This Tapti river flows through Gujarat state. Tapti river flows through which state? Gujarat state. And next, Koyana project. This Koyana project construct on the river Koyana. Okay, this river, Koyana river, flow through Maharashtra state. Next, see the eighth one, Nagarjun Sagar project. Nagarjun Sagar project. This project means dam built on river Krishna. Built on river Krishna. Which project? Nagarjuna Sagar project. Krishna river flows through Andhra Pradesh and also through Telangana. See the ninth one, Rihan project. Rihan project built on Rihan river. R-I-H-A-N-D. Rihan river. The river Rihan flows through Uttar Pradesh state. Next, Thein Dam. Thein Dam built across Ravi river. Ravi river flows through Punjab state. Then Tungabhadra project built on Tungabhadra river. Tungabhadra river flows through Andhra Pradesh. And next, Ukai project. Ukai project built on Tapti river. See already Ninna. Then what that? Kakrapara project built on Tapti river. So again Ukai project also built across the river Tapti. Okay. Tapti. See this Tapti river flows through Gujarat. And Gujarat, see your Kakram project, that's also Tapti river from Gujarat. And one more project, Ukai project. So this project built on Tapti river flows through Gujarat. And then Tehri Dam, that is built across the river Bhagirathi river. This Bhagirathi river flows through Uttar Pradesh state. And next, Ghataprabha project. Ghataprabha project built on what that? Ghataprabha river. So here given the name Ghataprabha project only. Okay. Ghataprabha dam built on Ghataprabha river, and Ghataprabha river flows through Karnataka state. See, okay, Ghataprabha project built on Ghataprabha river. Ghataprabha river flows through Karnataka state. See children, like this the rivers Satluj, Chambal, Damodar, then Ganga, Mahanadi, Tapti, Koyna, Ghataprabha, Bhagirathi, Krishna, Rihan, Ravi, Tungabhadra. See, these all are very important and big rivers in India. For all these rivers, we build or construct the dams, means projects. So like this, these all rivers are very useful for different purposes. I already starting I explained, no? These all river resources are very useful for produce electricity, for irrigation, for drinking water, and then avoid the floods like this. In different ways, these all resources, water resources, and what we build the projects, means the dams across these rivers, they are very useful. Okay, so we call what the projects are, dams are built, or these rivers, how they are useful in different purposes, no? So we say these all rivers and projects we called as multi-purpose projects. Understood, children, about multi-purpose projects? Next class, I will explain lesson number 41, Port Towns in India. Thank you.